Using the GoDaddy domain with Shopify is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you purchased your domain from Google Domains, GoDaddy or 1&1 IONOS, then you can connect your domain to Shopify automatically. To complete this procedure, you need to have your login information for your third-party domain provider account. So, firstly, from your Shopify admin, go to Settings and then on Domains. Then click Connect Existing Domain. Next, enter your domain, such as johnsapparel.info, and click on Next. After that, click Connect automatically. Also, if necessary, log in to your Google Domains, GoDaddy, or 1&1 IONOS account. Then click Connect, and then click on Close. It might take up to 48 hours for your domain to be verified. After it's verified, your domain is listed in the third-party domain section of the domains page with the status connected. If you have trouble setting up your domain automatically, then try to connect it manually from within your third-party domain provider account.